Yes, children. So we have learnt about the transpiration in plants by doing some activities yesterday. Hope you all have understood it. So I want you to do that activity and send me the report of that activity. Today we'll learn about photosynthesis process. Okay. So for that there is one activity is there. So now it is after the reopening of the school. I'll show you how to do. Now we'll see the content, main topic of that alone. Okay? Yes. Let us see. Okay. Children, have you ever observed that a slice of potato, after it has been cut, if you keep it for 1 hour, the color of the potato has changed? Isn't it? Do you know why it is happening? Because potato has starch, okay, so that it can be its color can be changed. Okay. Yes. So in grade 6 itself we have in grade in 5, okay. So in we have tried to test the presence of starch in potato. Okay, for that we have taken some potato slices and iodine solution. Just drop 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution on the slice of potato. So the color of the potato has changed into blue black color. So by that we can found that potato has starch. Okay, what do you mean by starch? See, starch is a type of food prepared by the leaves. Okay, so these potato they got its starch from the leaves. Okay. Yes. Yes. In page number 57, first half, we learn about photosynthesis. Okay. So photosynthesis process is nothing but the food preparation in the process of the plant. Okay. So the leaves prepare their food in presence of sunlight and a green colored substance present in them. So the leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. It is a green pigment present in the leaf. It is called chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll and sunlight, the leaves are preparing food. Okay. See, they are preparing food in form of two forms, that are starch and sugar. Okay. And with that it is producing oxygen. Okay, so this whole process, so sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, they three are reacting and producing food and oxygen. This whole process is called photosynthesis. The food prepared by leaves is ultimately stored in different parts of the plant. So whatever the food used by the plant, then more than if there any extra food is there, it can be stored in some other parts of the plant. Okay, so some food can be stored in root, and sometimes some plants can store their food in flowers, and some plants can store food in stem. So we are so those extra food was stored in different parts, and we are getting some vegetables. Like for example, if the food has stored in root, you can grow a carrot like that. Okay. So we have seen that stem supplies leaf with water. The leaf uses the water to make food. The leaves also lose water through transpiration. So how do the stem and leaves get water? So here the root is helping them to supply water. Okay. So I repeat, photosynthesis is the process of food preparation in plants with the help of water, sunlight, chlorophyll, and they are producing oxygen and food for the plant. Okay, now see here, in this activity, so the topic photosynthesis process was over, and here we already saw that roots are providing water to stem and leaves, isn't it? So how much important is root? Let us see one activity. See here. Yes. So which part of the plant is in the soil? Stem or root? Root, yes. So root, how much important role the root is providing. So we are going to do in the activity, okay. You would require 2 parts, some soil, kurfi for digging, blade, or pair of scissors and water, okay. This should be done in 4 to 5 students, okay. Select 2 more plants of same kind from an open ground and dig them out with roots. Take care that roots do not break. See, if you are taking the root with soil, you should do not harm the root, okay. Plant one of them in pot A, and just as it is with root, plant one plant in the pot A, and cut off the root. Just cut the root and plant another in pot B, okay. Yes. So water them regularly. Observe the plants after a week. Are both plants are healthy? So please think and tell which plant will be healthy, pot A or B. Exactly, the pot A plant was healthy. Okay. Why? What happened? They both are plants. They have placed in the pot only, no? Then why the pot B plant didn't grow? Because it don't have root. There is no one to supply the minerals and water to the upper parts of the plant, okay. So this is how we can understand the root is an important part for the plant, and also roots are only the holding the plant firmly in the soil. Ma'am.